You can cancel a Venmo payment you've already made if the receiver has an inactive account. If they don't, you'll need to request your money back from the person or contact Venmo support. Here's how to cancel a payment. Use the clickable sections below to skip to each method. On the Venmo app, tap on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of your screen. From the options, tap on Incomplete. This is where you'll find your incomplete payments, which will be shown by a number in a red circle here. Tap on the Payments tab. You should see the payment you made listed here. If you're able to get your money back, you'll see a Take Back button like this. Tap on it, and the payment will turn grey. A message will pop up to confirm that you've cancelled the payment. It will no longer be processed and taken from your linked bank account. It's easy to send money to the wrong Venmo account, as many people have similar usernames. If you've done this, you'll need to request a refund from the account and contact Venmo support. On the home screen, tap on Pay or Request at the bottom. Type in the username of the person you paid by mistake, and then enter the same amount of dollars you sent to them. Add a note here to explain that you've paid them by mistake, and then tap Request. Tap to confirm. Tap on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Incomplete, and you'll see your unfulfilled requests here. Underneath your recent request, tap on Remind. Now you can wait and see if the account will refund you the money. If they don't, you'll need to contact Venmo support. To contact Venmo support, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right of your screen, and then tap on Get Help from the drop-down options. Choose Contact Us, and then choose the method you want from the options. Remember to include the payment information in your report, including the amount paid, the account you paid accidentally, and the date of the transaction.